Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here for explaining standard form. Big or small number for writing in calculator. The standard form has been created by mathematician. Standard form, any number can be written, but 3.8 just has been taken for your understanding. 38, if you want to convert through the standard form, that will be 3.8 into 10. Yes, instead of 3.8, you may also write 68, you may also write 50, no problem. So 50 will be converted into 5 into 10. Okay? So if you want to convert 380, that will be 3.80 into 100. And the short form, the calculator form is 3.8 into 10 to the power 2. So you are understanding these are the bigger number. Bigger number from the point line, this is the point line, right? From the point line, if the journey to the left hand, that is the bigger number. If the number is very smaller number, that will be 0.38. So 38 and 0.38 not the same matter. This is the journey to the right hand. Simple talk. If you want to convert 0.38 into the standard form, 3.8 again has been taken as standard form. And you are watching, 0.38, as I have gone right hand mean smaller situation, right? And left hand number mean bigger situation. As my previous condition was 3.8, now I have written 0.38, so I have gone one digit in right hand. So I have de-evaluated just one position. So the position has been de-evaluated, decreased, and that's why 1 upon 10 has been multiplied. And finally this is the standard form. Again I have written 0.03. I mean this time you have gone more disrespectful situation. Mean from the previous situation you have gone 2 stages at the right hand. So now you have to multiply again 3.8. But as you have de-evaluated, decrease the situation by 2 digit, so 100 will be divided. The number will be divided by 100. So this is the smaller, this is the shorter form. And you are watching 0.0038. I mean the situation is more disrespectful, more decreased situation. Now again 3.8. And point from the previous situation now 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. In total, you have to count the in total number. So 4, you have decreased the situation by 1,000 times less. This is 1,000 times less, and this is 100 times more. So I have divided by 1,000. So 3.8 into 10 to the power minus 4. So my talk, if you go right hand, I mean that you de-evaluate, you have decreased the situation one stage, and that will be divided, that will be multiplied by 10 times, 1 upon 10 times. And if you go one stage right hand, left hand, you have gone up, you have ascended. So you have to multiply by 10. And if you gone 2 stages right hand, I mean, you have de-evaluated, decrease the situation 100 times. So that will be divided by 100. So I think the situation has been explained. Thank you very much.